Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Quizalize. But what is Quizalize? It is an interactive online quiz platform designed to enhance classroom engagement and students' learning through gamified assessments. So first you have to go to their website www.quizalize.com. So ito na yung kanilang website. As you can see, it supports various question formats, making it adaptable for different subjects and grade levels. So additionally, Quizalize integrates with learning management systems and provides detailed analytics to help educators identify students' weaknesses and strengths. So ano yung importance nun? It enables us to target interventions. So dito pwede tayong mag-sign up as a teacher or as a student. You can use your personal emails or even the DepEd email. Isa pang kagandahan nito is pwede natin siyang i-link sa ating mga Google Classroom. So in my case, meron na akong Quizalize account. So magla-login lang ako sa kanilang mismong website. You can look for different resources rather, na pwede mong i-adapt according sa needs ng mga pupils mo or students. So dito, we can create classes. I guess sa basic account, you can create at least 2 classes. So dito sa case ko, meron akong dalawa, grade 5 English and my first class. But if you wanted to add more classes, pwede kang mag-upgrade. So, meron akong sample dito ng assessment sa English. Yun yung code na pwedeng gamitin or pwede nating ibigay sa mga students natin. Okay, so ito yung mga questions na ginawa ko. And i-try natin siya. Ayan. So, these are my questions. It names a person, thing, event, place, animal. The answer is noun. What is an action word? The answer is verb. But you can add as many questions as you can. Gawa tayo. So, in the sentence, the girl plays with her doll. What is the verb used? So, meron tayo dito sa baba, answers. Please add an answer. So, A. Place. So, yung green and red ay pwede nating ilipat-lipat depende kung ano yung correct answer. So, for choices, pwede tayong magdagdag 3 or 4. B girl, C her, and D doll. The correct answer is letter A, place. So, yun yung naka-green. Ayan. So, dito pwede din nating ilagay kung anong oras sila pwedeng laruin or sagutan yung mga ginawa nating assessment. Pwede din nating palitan yung mode, yung quiz mode. We can choose between Classic Mastery Mode. Yung Classic Mastery Mode ay hindi matatapos yung quiz ng hindi tama lahat. Then Exam Mode to prevent cheating. And the Standard Mode, all the options you're used to using. Then yan, may madami pang mga options na pwedeng nating i-explore. Pwede nating i-randomize yung question order para iba-iba yung arrangement ng questions sa every student. Then we can share this to our classes. Pwede natin siyang ilagay sa ating mga Google Classroom. And then after ay magkakaroon siya ng analysis kung how well yung nagawa ng mga pupils natin. We can also explore different resources. So madami siya, but let's try this. Ito yung mga gamified na pwede nating magamit. So pwedeng, let's try Sorcerer. Ayan. Pero pwede din yung classic na yung walang games. Okay. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, na mabubore yung mga bata natin dito. Kasi while playing, ay natututo sila. Diba? Kaya parang pati ako nag-enjoy. So, see, that's simple. Natuto ka na, nag-enjoy ka pa. So, hindi lang yun, madami pang mga gamified assessments na pwede nating gamitin. Meron ding for iba't ibang mga subjects and of course, iba't ibang grade levels. Meron ding mga available resources na pwede nating i-adopt. Just like this. Ayan. So, pwede nating gamitin yung mga ginawa na ng mga teachers sa iba't ibang lugar. So, ayan. Para sa mga estudyante natin mahilig mag-basketball, so, eto. So, see, malayong malayo sa nakasanayan nating paper and pencil test lang. Yun lang, hindi ako marunong mag-basketball. Ayan, so madami pa siya. Pwede din nating ibahin yung mode na pwede nating gamitin dito or yung games na pwede nating idugtong. Just